from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is Keep It Simple Sunday. The host is Melissa Makes It DIY. The co-host is Simple Roots, Simple Living. This month I decided to make a simple tulle bow with also make a tulle pom-pom and a tulle flower. And you can simply buy the tulle at the dollar. Okay, all we're going to need is some tulle and either bling or a button or even a broken piece of jewelry will work. Ooh. And I just start wrapping it around my hand. Okay. And you can even do cardboard. You can wrap it around a piece of cardboard. Then trim it off. And take a piece of your tulle. Tie a knot in the center. Like this. And you can go as big or as small as you want. And you can flare this out. And this makes just a bow. This is just a bow. That right there is just your bow. Just a tulle bow. There's a tulle bow. You can use that as embellishment. You can make them larger and they could go on the side of, say, an aisle for a wedding, or use them in decor for a party. Or you can take and do this. Just cut the loops. And flare this out. And it doesn't help if you have hot glue on the end of your scissors, just saying. Let me try a different pair. I think these are just as bad. Then you take and flare this out and trim this off. Makes a pom-pom. But you can take a piece of embellishment, and this one's going to be a little big. And add an embellishment here in the center. And there is, I've used these just like this in wedding arrangements, in bouquets. I've used them also in prom corsages. as flowers. This is a very inexpensive way to make wedding flowers. You can make several of these for a bridal bouquet or corsages. On Amazon, you can buy bling for $1, and you can get white tulle for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So you can get very fancy flowers for corsages and the bridal bouquets for very inexpensive.